Yo, what is up, legends? My name is Wikus and welcome to the Wick Trading channel. Now, if you want to see how wrong I was about last week's analysis, click on the video ahead.
Somebody once told me.
But this week that's coming, we should expect more bullish movement. But just keep in the back of your mind, we need to come back down for retest at some stage. So expect some bearish movement coming in sometime soon. If you like the information that I share on this channel, please click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, and also the bell notification to be notified when I post new videos on this channel. The information that I share will help you as a Nasdaq trader to up your skill and become more profitable. If you want more information about Wick Trading and the courses that I offer, the Wick Trading Signals group as well as the Copy Trading group, go to the website, click on the link below, and you'll find everything there. But before I take more of your time, let's get straight into it. So last week closed much more bullish than I anticipated, and we had much less bearish movement throughout the week than what I expected. If we look at the weekly candle, we didn't even make a wick at the bottom, so that shows that there's a lot of bull momentum in the market. It was also NFP week, so I expected some bullish movement coming into the end of the week, especially on Friday. That is what happened. But the rest of the week, I was quite amazed by how bullish the structure was. Now, going down to the daily charts, we just continued with the bull run, and we had two bearish days, but not significant enough to actually make a very strong retest at the bottom. So I think the majority of that movement was manipulation, and my students, I discussed it with my students and sent out a video and showed them that it's mostly manipulation, so expected. And I expected the market to go down a bit lower, but it didn't. So looking at the weekly and the daily charts, we still need to come and retest those important zones that needs to come and find liquidity at some stage. So how long this bull run continues is a difficult question to answer, but following the market on this bull run is the wisest thing to do. It's just following the trend. But just keep in the back of your mind, we are going to come down at some stage, just come and fit some more liquidity. So on the daily, if we look at the trend, the daily made or is busy actually still forming, and we basically just formed that trend line there. We had our first touch, second touch, third touch, and then we just broke out. So it's just literally just following up on this trend, and for how long it's going to be a difficult thing to say. But what we are doing, or what we should do, is just continue following the trend on the daily. So going down to lower time frames, looking for ABCD patterns that plays out in as the market continues up. So basically running from there to there to there, going up, that one to this area there, and then a continuation to that area there, and a continuation there. So while we follow the bull trend, we obviously use the smaller time frames for ABCD patterns to catch good amount of pips. So while this one continues up, we can follow it, but expect it to come down for a little bit. So there's two things that could happen. We need to wait for this market to come back down again and form a new ABCD pattern and look for an entry at previous resistance and support zones and use the fib on the time frames. And if it continues to break down, if it does, we can look for entries at the trend line or look for entries on the higher time frame support and resistance zones, around about this area there or this area there, even that one or that one or even that one. Depends on what the market does and what structures the candles are forming. But for now, just keep on the bullish trend. Before you get into a new trade, just wait for the market to come back down a little bit. It depends on what trader. If you're a scalper, enjoy yourself. If you're an intraday or a swing trader, it's not a safe place to enter the market right now. Just wait for the market to pull back a little bit at least. So we've got an ABCD pattern that's playing out here, and it's basically completed on Friday. So entry was or A was there, B was there, C was there, and D is there. And this one can continue up, or it can actually just come down from that area and find new entries around about there, that area. So that is just a basic overall look. We are moving bullish, much more bullish than I expected, and it's also a good thing. because it gives us safe entry zones. Trading in a bull market is easier than a bear market, especially with Nasdaq. So looking for more buys at this stage, and I'm looking for the market to come back down to get new entries for us in the market. I'm just going to mark off this zone here just for interest. I do see a lot of movement coming to this zone sometime this week. If this area breaks, there's a lot of other zones below it, but this one catches my eye if we look for more bull trends, just to continue and follow this trend up. But let's see what happens. If you want more information, feel free to be in contact with me. Please leave comments below if you've got any questions, you want anything I can help you with. Go to the website. The link is in the description below. And I hope this video helps you. I'll see you all in the next one. Cheers. If you are a new trader to Nasdaq and you want to know how much money you need to start trading Nasdaq, click on the video that's shown now. That information will teach you everything you need to know.